In this video, we are going to introduce a simple but useful syntax command, /. This syntax command is different from the previous ones, keyword plus part of speech, wildcard, and underscore, which are all used to search for unknown elements. The /, however, is used specifically for known elements, especially when you are not sure which word is better or which combination is the correct usage. For example, if you want to express the meaning, the opposite of something, you know that you need to use the word contrary, but you're not sure whether preposition should be in or on. In this case, you can enter the / between the two prepositions, thus forming the pattern in / on, the contrary. As you can see on the screen, Linggle shows that on the contrary appears 670,000 times, accounting for almost 99% of the corpus, while in the contrary only accounts for 1.3%. Obviously, on the contrary is the correct usage. By using the /, Linggle will show the proportions of these two combinations in the corpus at once, without having to search twice. As an additional note, because Lingle's 5-gram corpus is based on the 2006 Google corpus, and Google's corpus is based on the internet, it is inevitable that there will be some articles written by non-native speakers. If the search results show combinations with very few frequencies, the combinations are usually the wrong usages and are not recommended. For the use of the /, let's look at another example. All their toys are made hand. Do you wonder what to use here, with hand or by hand? At this point, you can use the / to quickly search and confirm the correct usage by simply entering by / with hand, as shown on the screen. A recommended use of the / is when you are not sure whether to use the singular or plural form. For example, when you don't know whether you should use a singular or plural noun after the word every. To put it more clearly, you don't know whether to use every child or every children. You can use the pattern every child / children to run the search. On the screen, the singular form child accounts for 99.5% of the total occurrences, so it is safe to say that instead of plural nouns, using singular nouns after every is the correct usage. We'll end this episode here. See you in the next video.